What happens within a socio-political system where the people can't trust the police and neither can the police trust the people? Corruption is ever prevalent and somewhere along the line, an innocent life pays a price. This is a Zandrama production aimed at using the arts as a vehicle for social change. Follow me at Facebook, Instagram and YouTube at Zandrama! Jesus, murder at mercy, Father. Police brutality up here in America and them a brutalize the police them down there in Jamaica. Where the woman them the wall of ball? Nikki, Dana, come black the road with the old chimney. Tivoli, Jungle, Mobi, Spanish Town, Rima! We want justice! Are we doing better? Wait there. In the calm. You know better run calm? All a 4 lawmen get ambushed and licked down. Them clap back a gunman in a jiffy. That intelligence was gathered rather quickly. Wonder if we can ask the same intelligence team to gather intelligence on murdered Ananda Dean or missing Jasmine Dean. You read between the lines and understand what I mean? Police bad and gunman bad. And for split justice right now, my head start hurt me bad. For the two side of corruption, want mess up Jamaica bad. Me all want come home and me afraid bad. Yeah, cause una galang bad. And when people talk, when they say, leave Jamaica alone cause I everywhere bad. Boy, me don't know who to believe right now. Between the police and the gunman. Any side you take it, is a murder them a plan. Between the two, una can't make up and stop it. Look how far una take it. Una all go bun down good up Ray Market. You look like the only innocent person. Me. Wanna stress out everybody. All bro God in our day, me see a fear buy a baby. You never seen side of the lady? Cause the mother did a fair show or them all the baby saw and them all the baby saw. So you know say a 2 times that the one baby they traumatized if you know how it go. You never watch the video? Poor honorable bro God. He can't manage Jamaica mud. And if him did ever bright and carry the baby go give MP Juliet Cutbutt, me hear say she will cuss bad word. Look how we do one and as black people do a massa. And we get up and a protest about Black Lives Matter. Anyway, Marva, me beg a look for some minis. Me NIS, me yes if you travel come Jamaica, you have to travel come with it. As a Jamaica enough. I love to pick up plugs. I behave like say a green card. Only can stop people from coming at them yard. Follow me at Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube at Zandrama. Who do you believe?